Hello, this is Chris Grimmett, the founder of Omaha Insurance Solutions. I invite you to like this video. Also, check out our website, our Facebook page, and the YouTube channel, Omaha Insurance Solutions. Markets are constantly changing. Just think about the Omaha World Herald. On Wednesday and Sunday, the ads are spilling out of the newspaper. You have companies going into business, out of business, special sales, special events. The price of oranges, celery, what have you, is constantly changing. Markets don't stand still. The insurance and Medicare market is no different than other markets. They're constantly changing and evolving. So this past week, Aetna bought Humana for $37 billion. That's billion with a big B. Anthem Blue Cross is probably going to purchase Cigna. Again, that will be in the billions. Centene Corp also just recently purchased Healthscape for $6.3 billion. And so when you have these big players making purchases like that, it affects the landscape of insurance and Medicare supplements. Aetna, Cigna, Anthem Blue Cross, they are big players. So when they purchase one another, when they do anything in the market, those big bears move the entire market. Now, some people argue, well, that's good. Markets are consolidating, and so prices will go down. Other people say, no, it's monopolistic practices, and so prices are going to go up. You can listen to the talking heads, the experts talk all day. We're yet to see what exactly will happen. But the reality is, when big players like that do something, it affects the markets. It affects your Medicare supplement. People ask the question, what goes into a price of a Medicare supplement? How do they determine what the price is, each company, and why are some higher, lower, and all that? Well, probably the first thing that goes into it is the company has to be able to pay the bills. In other words, claims from the hospitals, the doctors. And so they have to collect enough premium to cover those expenses. Then there's people that answer the phone to the company, the brochures that are sent out, all the paperwork, the processing. Those people have to be paid. So that goes into how much the premium is for the Medicare supplement. And then finally, of course, there has to be a profit. Shareholders want to get a return on their money, and so there has to be some enticing return on the investment they have. And so there has to be some level of profit. If there isn't, then there's no point to the company, there's no point to investment, the company will be terminated. And so those are all the variables that go into the price of your Medicare supplement. So what else is factored into the price of your Medicare supplement? Well, for them to be able to pay claims, the insurance company is going to have clients. And so that's why you have the slick advertising, marketing campaigns that insurance companies do, especially during open enrollment. You'll see during October 15th to December 7th, it's like political season with all the ads, all the brochures you receive. They're trying to get clients to come in. The more clients you have, the bigger pool of people you have, the more premiums you have coming in, then your ability to pay claims, to take care of administrative costs, all those things in terms of a margin become much, much smaller. And so you're able to lower your price accordingly. And so the number of members you have in your supplement is critical. And so that advertising, all that stuff they do that maybe drives you crazy, but you see out there to draw people in, that's part of keeping the price down actually in the end. The other way insurance companies get people to get into their pool, purchase their Medicare supplement, is with the price. All of us want the lowest possible price for the best value, and so they try and keep their prices down low to drive people to them. Now, this can be a two-edged sword. You have a low price, so everybody wants to purchase it, but the problem is if you don't price it correctly, if there's not enough margin built in to cover administrative costs, to pay claims, profits for the shareholders, then you're in a bad situation. You have to borrow money to get by, or what have you, or probably the thing that actually happens is you raise your premiums. And then once you raise the premiums, you run into another situation. People that are healthy at least get out of the plan, and now your pool is starting to get smaller. And then you have less money in that pool, and then you have to raise your premiums even more. And so pricing is part of how they draw people in, but they have to be very careful in how they do that so that they don't result in price increases that drive people away. The Medicare markets, again, are like any other market, whether oranges, asparagus, lettuce. The prices are constantly changing because of various factors. And so you need to be able to go into the market, look at what's going on, have some understanding of the prices, of the market itself, and why they change, and your ability to shop within that market. What I do to help my clients here at Omaha Insurance Solutions is look at all of the companies in Nebraska, Iowa, whatever state you're in, to look at not just the price, but what's the history of their rate increases, what's the history of their age increases, to look at all of those factors, the rating of the company itself, the history, my experience with the company, all of that to go into the mix to determine what, right at this particular moment, would be the best supplement for you. Then, year by year, to be able to evaluate that, because again, things are constantly changing. Prices are changing, companies are changing, the markets are changing, and Medicare itself even is changing. And so you want to be able to make those adjustments, to be nimble enough to move from supplement to supplement, company to company, depending on what's happening in the market. This is Chris Grimman with Omaha Insurance Solutions. Thank you for listening.